Oops, I think oh no, it's the right way. This is Kaysen taking her bath in the sink. Discovering that she gets splashed a lot. Kaysen! Kaysen, look at mommy. Kaysen! Look at mama. Nope, she's too preoccupied. Kaysen! Hey, boo! Kaysen! Kaysen! Nothing. It's too fun to tear away from. Whoa! Kaysen, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Hi, baby girl. You have peaches all over us. Hi. And we're back. Hello? Okay, I better put my phone down before it gets wet and ruined.